In the 1930s, a serendipitous discovery in the production of flaked animal feed led to the invention of cheese-flavored puffs. The process involved moistening feed and pushing it through an extruder, resulting in a puffed product that was surprisingly tasty. Edward Wilson of the Flakehall Corporation stumbled upon this phenomenon, setting the stage for a new snack category. By 1948, the Frito Company's founder, Charles Elmer Doolin, capitalized on this invention, creating Cheetos. This brand of cheese-flavored corn puffs quickly soared in popularity, to the point where Cheetos has become almost synonymous with cheese puffs themselves. Despite the variety of brands on the market, the name Cheetos often stands in for the entire category of cheesy, crunchy treats. Doolin's snack revolution started in a San Antonio kitchen, where the original recipe for Cheetos was perfected. The first Cheetos were made using rudimentary equipment and Doolin's inventive puffing technology, which extruded cornmeal into the iconic shapes we know today.
Cheetos Brand Cheese Flavored Snacks presents Chester Cheetah.
I'm the big cheese of the 7 C's.
Since their market introduction in 1948, Cheetos have evolved, both in flavor and form, to become a staple in American snacking culture. The brand experienced explosive growth, with clever marketing and the introduction of Chester Cheetah as the charismatic mascot, further cementing Cheetos in the hearts and pantries of consumers.
Crunch.
As the snack gained popularity, Cheetos went global, adapting flavors to suit local tastes around the world, becoming an international sensation, resulting in companies across the globe following suit. Now let's take a look at how this beloved cheese-flavored snack is generally made. Our process begins with the core ingredient, corn. Meticulously selected for quality, the raw corn kernels are poured into the machinery, marking the first step in the transformation from simple grains to snack-sized delights. Once inside, the kernels are ushered through a network of pipes, journeying to the next critical phase. Here, precision is key, as the machinery efficiently carries our base material to its next destination. Moisture adjustment is where the magic starts. In the blending machine, water is meticulously mixed with corn, preparing it for the expansion process. This delicate balance of moisture ensures a perfect consistency. With a burst of strong pressure and heat, the dough expands, morphing into the familiar irregular shapes reminiscent of scones. It's at this stage that the iconic Cheetos texture begins to take form. Quality control is rigorous. A size check ensures that only pieces meeting our exact standards proceed. Those that are smaller or thinner than desired are gently removed from the line, maintaining the integrity of our product.
A fun fact about Cheetos is that they have introduced over 21 different flavors throughout their history, catering to a wide range of taste preferences. This diversity includes everything from the classic cheese and FLAMIN Hot to more unique flavors like Japanese steak, strawberry Cheetos, and even a Halloween edition called Bag of Bones, where the snacks are shaped like skeletons and can be assembled into skeletal figures.
Next, the emerging Cheetos are fried to perfection using pure vegetable oil. This is where they acquire their signature crunch, a texture that resonates with snack enthusiasts globally. As we approach the seasoning phase, a specialized liquid seasoning oil is prepared, ready to envelop each piece with that distinctive Cheetos flavor. Inside a revolving drum, seasoning is sprayed uniformly, ensuring each piece is evenly coated. This ensures every bite is as flavorful as the last. Following flavoring, the sorting process ensures consistency and quality, as the snacks are prepared for packaging. Precision is paramount during weighing. Computer-controlled combination scales allocate the perfect amount of product for each package. Before sealing, we diligently check for any metal foreign objects with a metal detector, prioritizing consumer safety above all else. In a blink of an eye, the packaging machine fills each bag with Cheetos, ready to be sealed and sent on its way to consumers. The bags are then placed into cardboard boxes, which are sealed and coated with essential information, including the expiration date. The final step in our journey is the shipping operation, where boxes of Cheetos are dispatched to stores, ready to be enjoyed by snack lovers around the globe. From raw corn to your snack bowl, this has been the journey of Cheetos, a tale of technology, precision, and flavor. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful exploration.